Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejela Bakmi Yakatanat Kampo Ying ba Preston Tinsong Hakasingi Balang Ulakintu Yakinongialam Bahaklido Kahinyotrep National Liberation Council HNLC Bakim Day Bendan Kajing Sngo artatien Yaka Sorkar Pedeng Bat Sorkar Jela Namar Kilong Kibalakre Ban Ayakalinti Yat Kabashngan Bakinwan Chakami Yakren Yasuk Kani kajingkran usumbut Menteri Rangba kalami hadin sansingi bau Chairman cum Commander-in-Chief ke HNLC ba Bobby Marwen ba General Secretary cum Publicity Secretary ba San Kupar Nongtarau kilapin pau ya kajing bamla ban simenta ha kajing yakran yasuk tat hadu ba ka sarkar jela kala kloy benweng no ya baro ki case bala pengat persya ki ban ya so ya ka saskular sangya yasian katkum kajing ong jong u ka sarkar kalong ka bala khre ban penlong ya kajing yakran yasuk wat chabar ka jela Meghalaya Ula ong Yakinongialam ke HNLC, balada kisngo bakamlong shingan banyakren hapo Meghalaya, ke sarkar kalong ke balakre banyakren shanuru, la kalong shukol kata la ni hakanukunu kejela.
Let me again reiterate very clearly. Both state and central government are serious about talks. And I would like to just refresh all of you that the formal talk has happened only once. Well, before that, so many informal talks has happened, even up to my level. So the formal talk has happened once. In that formal talk, ultimately, from the government side, both central and state government has requested the members of the HNLC, please allow the talk to continue, number one. And number two, because see, decision to be taken should be only by the top leaders. And from the government side, Government of India and state government has already appointed interlocutor. And from the central government side also, they already appointed with full authority. So what I'm trying to tell you here is this. The last meeting what we discussed in that formal meeting, we said, okay, since you cannot say anything right now, go back, share with your top leaders, and our opinion from the government side, state and central government is very clear. The moment they are ready, please come back. The door is open for talk. Maybe they talk number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, whatever it may be, but the talk should continue. But I've seen the statement made by the HNLC recently. They said that unless you do this, we will not again come back for talk. So my request again to the HNLC is like this. Please come back for talk. Because unless we talk face to face, what you want, what you really wanted to, we will not reach anywhere. And we have been sincere enough, not less than 3-4 months. We have taken care of the cadres. We have taken care of them, be it the safety. And there was no such arrest also. Why are you having that apprehension? So I would request the top leaders of the NGO, don't have any kind of apprehension, don't have any doubts. We are sincere from the government, be it state and be it central government, number one. And number two, if you feel that it is not safe for talking here within Meghalaya, we are ready even to talk anywhere. Central government and state government are ready to talk anywhere. If you want to have a talk maybe somewhere in Calcutta or somewhere in other states, we are ready for that. So my request to the top leaders of HNLC is very clear. The door is still open, and we would request to them to kindly come back for talk, and we are ready to talk across the table. I said the top leaders, chairman or commander-in-chief or whatever. I think that is the meaning of top leaders.
But the top leaders have expressed this trust deficit in the government. So how will you ensure that this trust deficit is not there?
If you have distrust, what can I say then? Then why do you propose for talk? And you have sent your cadres, maybe the second line cadres, they were there with us. They were here very much with us, not less than 4 months. Was there anything wrong? Did we do anything? So I think they need to ask that question. Eh? That's why this time we requested them, because we really wanted to reach to the conclusion. Please come. We assure you, whether you want to come, safe passage, this will be given. And whether you feel that no, it is not safe within Meghalaya state, we are ready to talk anywhere else. That is the open-mindedness that we have both from state and central government.